Welcome friends, I'm Angela, your trusted real estate agent here in the Chippewa Valley, and today I'm here at my newest listing at 4002 Echo Valley Drive in the heart of Eau Claire. This nicely updated 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom twin home features fresh flooring and paint throughout, 0 entry access, a newer roof and driveway, and is conveniently located near Oakwood Mall. Thank you for joining me on this quick tour. If you'd like more information or if you'd like to schedule a private tour, please don't hesitate to reach out. I would love to help you make this house a home.